Los Gatos Black on Halloween. Written by Marissa Montes. Illustrated by Yuyi Morales. Los Gatos Black on Halloween. Los Gatos Black with eyes of green. Cats slink and creep on Halloween. With ojos keen that squint and gleam, they yowl, they hiss, they sometimes scream. Los calabazas, fat and round, carved pumpkins guard a hollowed ground. Their eerie faces, burning bright, form spooky beacons in the night. Las brujas guide their broomsticks high, the witches on escobas fly. Above the earth before the moon, they swoop and swish and swoosh and swoon. Los esqueletos rattle bones, the skeletons with creaks and groans delight the night in moonbeams dance, an awkward bow, a clattering prance. Next, los fantasmas drag their chains, the ghosts, the phantoms shriek their pains. Now come the ghouls, then zombies march beneath the trees where branches arch. October's luna full and bright, the fall moon lights a vampire's bite. La momia walks, the mummy stalks, and far away a lone loon mocks. At medianoche midnight strikes, the witching hour the werewolf likes. The bloodhounds bay, los perros howl, beware the wolfman's on the prowl. The graves right shiver, headstones shake, las tumbas open, tombs awake. The corpses with their cold dead eyes, los muertos from their coffins rise. And in a slow and strange parade, the creatures of the night invade a haunted casa, long asleep. The mansion's secrets buried deep. Yes, by the magic of this night, this noche filled with chills and fright, these monsters crowd the haunted hall, los monstros throw a monstrous ball. On harpsichords once tucked away, some unseen dedos' fingers play. Forgotten music tinkling clear, la música the dead can hear. Las brujas boogie, muertos bop, los esquelitos do the hop. The ghosts in their transparent waltz glide through the wolfman's somersaults. Rap, rap, rap. Then from the door comes tres loud raps. What could it be? Is it perhaps? The music stops. Each creature gasps, and suddenly the door unclaps. La puerta creaks. It opens wide. The things are coming. Run and hide. They hold up bags, yell trick or treat. Los monstros beat a quick retreat. The things that monsters most abhor are human niños at the door. Of all the horrors they have seen, the worst are kids on Halloween.
Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and like so you don't miss another story. If you have a story you'd like me to read, leave a note in the comment section below.